Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube video. I'm going to talk about Power Apps variable. What do you mean by Power Apps variable? We all know that Power Apps variable are used to store or manipulate the data within our Power Apps application. It allows user to store any type of data here like a number, boolean, string or etc. Using this variable, we can not only save our time but it also enhance the performance of our applications. In Power Apps, there are two types of variable. One is local variable and another is global variable. Local variable is limited to the single screen, but the global variable we can access throughout the multiple screens. Local variable can store the information using the update context function. In global variable, we can store the information using the set function. Now, let's get started and talk about both the things in detail with the real-time examples. Now, on my Power Apps app, there are two screens. In my Power Apps screen, I need to display the login username to all my screens here. For that, I will use the global variable. So use the app onStart property. In the app's onStart property, I'll use the global variable because I need to display the logged in username to all my Power App screens. So I'll use the global variable now. For global variable, we use the syntax starting with set function. Let's copy this syntax and I'll paste here. Syntax is set variable name, comma, value. So I'll provide the variable name first, where current user, and I'll provide the value as user. I need the full name. Now I've created the variable. Now I'll insert a text label to display its value. So where current user. Now whenever the app loads, I need to display the current username. See. So I need to display in the screen too also. Insert the text label. I'll provide the variable name, same variable name again. See. So whenever the app loads, I need to display the logged in username to all my Power App screen. So I'm using the global variable. As I said before, global variable can be accessed throughout the multiple screens. I'll show you another examples. Whenever the app loads, I need to set the background color of my screen too. For that, on the app onStart property, I'll use set var background. I'll mention the color now. Its value as color. Light gray. So whenever the app loads, I need to display the my screen's background color as gray. So on the screen fill property, I'll provide its variable name where background. Where in the screen too also I need to display the background color. So where background. So whenever the app loads, all my screen background color will be light gray. Now let's talk about local variable. As I said before, local variable is limited to the single screen. Let me check that. First, I'll insert a button control. On the button on select property, I'll create a local variable. For local variable, we have a syntax using the update context. Update context, provide the variable name where I'll provide as I need to display the current date. Also, I'll say current date today. So done. Now I'll insert a text label to display the current date. Here I'll provide the variable name where I'll preview the app. Once I click on this button control, it display me the current date here. Now, let me check. I've done this in screen 2. Let me display this current date in the screen 1. Select the screen 1. I'll insert the text label and try to display the current date using the variable. I provided the variable name as var. The variable name was var local current date. See, it is showing me an error as name isn't valid. Isn't recognized because, as I said before, local variable is limited to the single screen. We cannot access to any multiple screens. This is about the Power Apps variables. So, in this video, we talked about the different types of variable as global variable and the local variable. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to get free video tutorials on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate and Power BI. Thank you.